guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Happy Thanksgiving, and I just wanted to pop on today real quick and do a flip through of the newest journal that I made that is going up in my Etsy shop. It will be in my Etsy shop tomorrow on Black Friday. So if you're interested in this journal, I will put the link down for it below in the description box, and you can check it out. So it is a little golden book, and it's called the Nutcracker. And I had made a couple of these last year and just fell in love with it. And so when I found another one of these little golden books at the thrift store, I picked it up to make for this year. So what I did was I made it into a junk journal that is 1.5 inches, has 1.5 inch spine, and I covered the back and the side and the spine with this really cute Nutcracker fabric. On the back there's a detail with this Nutcracker ribbon, and then I made this beautiful tassel that has all kinds of lace and ribbons and trims and more of that Nutcracker ribbon. And then on the front I have some rickrack. I also have this Nutcracker die cut that I made and glued on the front there. It is tied up with more of the ribbon, the Nutcracker ribbon, and the tie is attached to the inside cover. So I'll go ahead and open it and show it to you. I used the paper pad from Michaels this year that's called Holiday Ballet, and it's a super cute pad. In the inside cover and the back inside cover, I made library card pockets that you can use to put tags or whatever in here. This has a tag from the collection or a journaling card. And then here's another pocket and a tag. I made a little ruffle with the fabric. Here's a belly band with a vintage bingo card. So everything shown in here is what will come with the book, and then there will be a small little goodie bag that comes with it with a few more extras. I have a vintage piece of sheet music. This is the Christmas Ballet. Some dyed paper. Here is a snowflake paper sack, and it has a tag that I made with the paper collection. I did some sewing on it. There's a doily. Here is another vintage Nutcracker book that I took a couple pages out of, and it's a little bit bigger book, so I folded the pages in, but I didn't want to just fold this in half because I wanted you to be able to see the whole picture, because I just thought they were adorable. I included the whole entire little golden book in here, so all the pages are in here in order. There's a little pocket that I made here with some of the paper, and then this is a vintage recipe, snickerdoodles. I just thought that was really cute. It's a postcard. There's a belly band, and this is a vintage score sheet for Giotto. More dyed paper, a vintage gift tag with a Nutcracker on it. Here's a vintage recipe book page that has recipes for Christmas desserts and cookies on that side. I did some marbling, paper marbling. I did a video on this, so I'll try and find it and link it down below for you. It was an experiment, and I think it turned out really cute, or pretty. I attached a milk cap. It was it says heavy cream on it, to that page. And then on the other side, this was a piece from the collection. Here is a card that it's not vintage, but I found it at a thrift store and thought it was perfect. It says "Bring me your nuts," and it has a Nutcracker on it. And this is another book page from another little Nutcracker book that I found inside. And the other side of that card says, "Get crackin' and have a Merry Christmas." So that's adorable. Here is another vintage gift tag with a Nutcracker on it. Oops, sorry. Get you all in frame here. Other side of that recipe page. Here's just one of the journaling cards from the collection. Another one on that side. Here's a belly band and another journaling card. Vintage lace there. Another belly band on this side and this really cute journaling card. So the other side of that book page that I sewed. And there's a little pocket there with the lunch sack. I added a die cut there. Here is a cut apart from the collection. And then on this side there's a little tag and another gingerbread vintage Christmas tag. Here's a little tuck spot here with a journaling card. Another tuck spot. This is the beginning of the second signature, and this is a piece from a vintage Christmas card and then a bingo card. And a little cut apart there from one of the books. There's a pocket here, and I made another pocket with this vintage book page that I cut out and sewed onto this pocket, but it's Santa holding the Nutcracker. And I just stuck a couple of the tags from the collection there. Here's another dyed paper, and I found this really cute. I think it's a gift card holder, but it's a gingerbread house, so I thought that went really well with that. And then there's another milk cap down here. On the other side is a tag that has candies on it. This is a sheet music. It says "Waltz of the Flowers." Another bag and tag that some of the marbling there that I did. And then here is a Christmas bingo card. It came from a game. Another recipe page that's for fruitcakes for the holidays, and then it has a really fun photograph on the back there. And here's another vintage book page. Belly band there. This page is a pocket on the side. Well, actually, on this side there's two pockets. And I added a couple tags in there. A couple of the cut aparts. Another marbled page, and I sewed some pom-pom trim on the side. Here's a doily, and it was sewn on to make a tuck spot there and on the other side. And then here's the center of the signature. It's another vintage book page from another Nutcracker book. And here's a tuck spot, and I made a tag with the paper collection, and then this is a vintage image or a watercolor image of Marie holding the Nutcracker in front of the tree. Alright, another book page there. I just love those older books. The colors are just so vibrant. And then here's the other side of that recipe page. Nope, they're like fruit cakes. And here's another tag from the collection. And here is the other side of that popcorn bag. dyed paper. There's another pocket page. And this is the last page here with the tuck spot there. And then another library pocket. And I added a couple more of the Nutcracker die cuts in there. So I really love how this turned out. This paper collection is, I just love it. It's my favorite, I think, of this year's Christmas pads at Michael's. So if you like this junk journal, it will be in my Etsy shop. Go ahead and check out the link. As I said, it will be up on Black Friday tomorrow. And yeah, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.